Hello, welcome back. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to create XPixel and then how to integrate this XPixel with your website. So first you need to log in your professional business account, and from there you can get this more button. Click on this more button and then click on ads. It will redirect it to X ad manager. So now you see I am in the X ad manager. Under this X ad manager, in the left column in the bottom you can see this event manager. So click on the event manager, and under this event manager you can see the add event source. So I will click on this add event source. So add event source, there is a website pixel, so I will click and select this one. Okay, so I see that the landing page view and site visits, that is actually a very the built-in one. So first I need to install the pixel. So on the right column I will click on the install pixel. So I need to configure my website address. So let's go Marv Digital. This is the Marv Digital website URL. So let's copy this URL, come back, then paste this URL and then continue. So pick an installation method for XPixel, that is partner integration, that allows Shopify, but I will go for manual. Then I will go for continue. So there is three install pixel. One is web pixel plus conversion API, another is web pixel, and that is separately conversion API. So I will go for web pixel. So I will go for continue, and you see this is the code, the pixel code. If I found out, then I can see this pixel ID is this one, RAMOA, and if in the code I can see that this is the pixel code, that is the pixel code. Okay, so we have already created the X conversion tracking pixel, and now we need to go back in tag manager. In the tag manager, this is the web container, and here we need to add some tag template in our workspace. So I will search for gallery. In the gallery, if I search for Twitter, then I can see there is a two tag template. One is Twitter base pixel and another one is Twitter event pixel. So I will add both. First I will add this base pixel tag template, and I will add to workspace. So it's already added. I will go and search for the next one, that is Twitter event pixel. Let's add it to the workspace. So both tag template is added in the workspace. I will go for tags, then new tag, and that will be Twitter base pixel. So we need to configure this pixel ID that we have copied. So let's show you again. This is the pixel ID. So I'll copy and go back to tag manager and set this pixel ID, and we can see in the base pixel there is a user parameter. You can send a user parameter, and that is email address, phone number, then configuration. Okay, in configuration you can see page load, there is hide, overwrite or default URL. I will go for default, And additional parameters for the base pixel, we don't need any additional parameter. And under this advanced setting, as usual, there is a consent additional text sequence, we don't need anything. And for trigger, we will go for all pages, and let's name this one X pixel, and save it. Okay, now let's preview and see if our base pixel is working or not. So I will go for preview, and if I connect with debugger, yes, the tag assistant is connected. Let's go, and I can see when the page is loaded, and if I see the X pixel is already fire, the base pixel is fire and sending page view events. So if I go in the ads manager, and then I can say it's done. So we can also check, before checking we can create one event, and let's debug and see if event and base view all of is working through X pixel helper. So we will track this contact us form, that is this contact us form, we will track. So let's go in the contact us form, and if we set a test, then let's see what happened. It's already submitted. Let's see. In the form submission event, we can see that below leads are collected, but there is no leads for X. So let's go again in the tag manager. I'll go for tag manager, then I will create a new event. So event pixel. So first I need to event ID. So let's go back in the event manager. So add event. I will create a event, and event name will be contact lead, and event type. So what type of event this is? So this will be lead, and define with code, define with URL. So I will go for define with code. For simple event like page load only requires base code, no event parameters, but we need this define with code. And post engagement attribute will be 30 days, post view attribution will be 1, website activity audience, I will create this one, then create event. Okay, so I see the event is already created. So I will go for tag manager. If I go, then I can found this event ID that I need. Go back in tag manager, paste this event ID, and I can see that there is an event parameter. So that is value currency, then conversion ID, that is conversion ID, then description, search string, user parameter, configuration, all of this thing there. For this lead items, we don't need any type of parameters, but we can set a default value. But this conversion ID, so conversion ID, that means that for is actually for the sales, then you can send this conversion ID here, then currency value. But for the lead I don't need that one, but for user parameters we can send this Twitter click ID. That is we can previously we added this for Facebook like FBC, a similar like, and then email address, phone, everything should be hashed. Here I will not check this one, so I will go for a trigger, and that trigger should be, if I go and then I can see that the trigger should be the form submit event. And beside this we can also set this form ID, that is, this is the form ID, so let's create a trigger. So let's go back and set a trigger. So that trigger will be custom event, and event should have this event name, should have form, that is the form submission event, that should be form submission event. Okay, if I go, then this is the GTM form submission event. Let's copy it and paste it. Some event when form ID equals this ID. Okay, this form underscore ID 123. Let's paste it and name this trigger form submission event trigger. I will not save it because I have already created for before. So let's discard the changes and let's contact us form, and I will name this one X form submission lead and save it. So the event already created, and let's go back in ads manager, then I will copy and say it's done. And the lead, I see the lead is inactive. To check this lead submission, we can add xpixel helper and a Chrome extension. So I will add this one. Okay, add to extension. Okay, I can see this pixel helper already added. Let's go and mark this one so we can easily measure. Okay, so first I will preview again. So I see the debugger is already reconnected. Yes, it's already reconnected. So go back again in contact us space and then resubmit this form again and send. I see the form is already submitted. So let's go in the tag assistant in the form submission event, then we can see the X form submission lead is successfully configured. And here if I check in the X pixel, then I can see a one page lead event and then another one is sign up lead. if I click, then you can see everything, every detail here. So if you send parameters like we can also send these parameters, like if I go back, we can track this form field with a small piece of JavaScript, that is form field. I have a video how to create this form, capture this form field data and send with the event as a parameter. So you can see that video if you would like, but I will not show it here, because if I show, then this video will be long. I don't want to make it long video. Hope you have understand how to create xpixel, then how to add event, and how to test this event is the configuration is successfully working or not. So I hope you have enjoyed the video.